It's a pleasure to talk about my company. My company was founded in '89, called RCI. So we bring data technology to Brazil, where we acquired data warehouse methodology from Bill Wiman, and then we customized that to implement here in Brazil for our customers. Based on that experience, we have a lot of success using different technologies, and we have the challenge to lead with big data since 2006, and that's why we becoming partner of Cloudera. We have made this partnership with Cloudera because we bring some technologies in the 90s that was acquired by IBM. Both companies are Cognos and Informix. And with this partnership with IBM, we have the challenge to deal with big data for our customers. And IBM has his own Hadoop implementation based on one Apache called IOP. But this technology was gone, and then IBM started a partnership with Cloudera, and we become partner of Cloudera because of this transition from Hadoop from IBM to Cloudera implementation. We see as a benefits of this partnership with Cloudera because Cloudera has first the open source based technology that is very important for us because it gives a lot of new enhancements for the solutions, and also because Cloudera has the approach to just not provide technologies but also provide solutions for the end customers. And here in RCI we understand that the customer don't want to buy technology, they want to buy solutions for their problems. We can build better solutions together with Cloudera because Cloudera has the best hybrid cloud solution where we can understand the real business cases from our customers and in real implement solutions that solve their problems. So I believe Cloudera has the best technology in the marketing and a complete technology in the marketing to solve all the data related problems of our customers. So I believe that the AI landscape has two approaches nowadays. One that it's more closed and more controlled by big techs, and another one that's more open and more government, that needs more governments, and also use the customer data to train the models. So we believe with Cloudera technology and with our expertise in RCI, we can train that models and implement and solve real customer problems with AI. Not just a trend, but in real life problems.